I've been putting all this pressure on my teeth. Probably making my shit bleed out right now.
Me and my roommate Rob working on a 97 Honda Civic EK. Doing some suspension work on it. My lower control arms just got here. Let's see. BWR subframe bar. '97 Honda Civic. I was thinking about putting these wheels on there, but nah, I'm gonna go with something different. It's a single cam, by the way. Nothing special in here. That's my roommate's girlfriend 240. Yes, it runs. But I did install a front lip. Actually looks good. I ordered the Dev Sport front splitter. It should be here one day next week. Also the side skirts that I'll install soon. But yeah, this is my little project.